Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before entering into the video, we request all of our viewers to subscribe our channel and also, if possible, comment in the comment section. Today we are concerned with the question, who is an individual? The individual means one who is not divisible. He is a whole because he feels that the whole existence is in him. He is in the existence and the existence is in him. So for a spiritual aspirant, this question becomes very much important. Now why we are to know that who is an individual? An individual is part and parcel of the whole existence. That's why it is important to know who is an individual. As we are an individual, all the others are also existing as individuals. All the human beings are, first of all, they are conscious that they are individuals. They think that they are living like an island existence. But it is not true. We are connected together. Our minds are heavily conditioned. We tend to believe that we belong to a particular country or we speak some language. We belong to that religion. Some group calls that their religion is X. Some other group calls that their religion is Y. Then in between conflicts arise. Similarly, we are faced with so many problems. Now, why we are facing so many problems in our day-to-day life? Because we don't know what a human being is, who is an individual, that we don't know. We think that we are all separate. We are all separate human beings. We are diverged from the very truth of reality. But for a spiritual seeker, it is not so. Religion, caste, creed, color, all these things are simply superficial aspects of life. A real seeker does not give any importance to these man-made divisions. These divisions are man-made. But we find that in modern day life, people are heavily conditioned. Their knowledge does not help them to come out of their conditionings. They themselves don't know they are being conditioned. They think that they belong to a particular place. They belong to a particular religion. That religion is all important for them. They think that truth can be organized. They think that their truth is the supreme one. They think that all the other religions do not have any truth in them. Hence, between religions are also conflicts are created. Such is the reality of everyday life. But one who is sincere to know who is an individual is known as a yogi. Who is an yogi? The yogi is interested to find the underlying principle that covers all the beings and non-beings of the existence. He is not interested in the superficial aspects of life. The superficial aspects of life are only utilitarian. They don't have any spiritual significance. But the yogi searches for the spiritual significance of life. What is the spiritual significance of life? The spiritual significance is that life is common to everybody. The truth of life is common to all. A yogi is not a person who sits somewhere and does some mantras. He is not a yogi. The yogi is interested to find the oneness of life. He is interested to find the reality of life. The reality of life becomes the utmost importance for him. In a way, he is more than a scientist. The scientists are observing the outside world, but the yogi observes the outside world, also the inside world. First of all, he observes the outward world. Then he directs the same energy to the inward world and hence reaches to the core of the reality. For him, there is no difference between people and people. There is no difference between the languages, no difference between the religions. In him, all the conflicts come to an end. In a way, he does not have any problem to live with. He resolves all the problems because all the problems are man-made. We have created all those problems. Hence, we have the capacity to resolve those problems. A yogi is really a person who is freed from all those problems, and he can teach this spiritual wisdom to others very easily. He has the capacity to spread this spiritual wisdom to other human beings. Today's world is in need of such a knowledge. So it is our responsibility to spread the spiritual wisdom to the nook and corner of the world. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing the another one aspect of life.